I've been working as a dentist for about 22 years. I've always wanted to be a dentist, and so I went to the University of Iowa and graduated in 1997. Mostly I enjoy working with my patients. I've always said this, I treat them as my family. Helping patients that are in need, getting to know them and treat them like family.
Nothing is more satisfying than when the patients are full of gratitude and they express how you've changed their life. That's what it's all about, really, when it comes down to it. It's just hearing how grateful the patients are for the service that you provided them, for the smile that you gave them, for restoring their functional teeth that way they can eat.
I haven't had any problems. I don't feel any problems. I feel like I have a brand new tooth that came in by itself, but it didn't. It actually was restored, and that's amazing that they were able to actually make a tooth that made me feel like I have a regular tooth. I mean, I was in pain last year so bad, and to have this work being taken care of finally is amazing and wonderful to be able to be okay.
Well, my overall experience with Dr. Haygood was excellent. I was very nervous about seeing a new dentist and going for a crown, which can be a very complicated experience. But it was pleasant from the moment I walked through the door to when I left.
I love technology. Technology is really one of the most fun things in dentistry right now, and there's so many fascinating things out there, from same-day crowns to 3D x-rays, that makes my treatment that I provide patients with even better and improves their prognosis overall, and it just makes dentistry much more fascinating.
Getting a crown within one day as opposed to 2 weeks, and all the issues that occur within that 2 weeks, I was surprised and really pleased at this experience.
And with the experience and the technology that they have today, they are amazing. I mean, I don't know what it is the technology is today, but it's definitely changed, and I felt no pain.
One thing I want my patients to really, hopefully they walk away with, is that a feeling that we care, that we've listened to them, we've listened to what they need, what they want, and that we deliver what they want. Our job, I feel, is more education, let them have all the possibilities, and then we are there to deliver whatever they choose to have for themselves.
We try to figure out what's important to them and just not treat them like just a regular person, or not treat them just like a customer, but treat them like a family member.
So I'm in sales, and I try to make that customer feel like they're my only customer. That's about how I felt when I came in here. I did feel at home. I felt, comfortable with each person, and they each knew what they needed to do, and they were pleasant in the process.
Well, for me, it was very nice. The people were all friendly. There's a relaxed atmosphere, I guess, about the place. I don't feel like pressured, or I'm just one more guy coming through,
It's great to see people come in and be able to fix those teeth. Give them teeth that they can be proud of, that they can walk out smiling with. It changes their whole appearance. It changes their attitude about life. It changes how they feel about themselves and how that portrays to other people.
To me, that's a big reason why I went into dentistry, is because a smile is so much. It's not something that somebody should have to hide, but a smile is something that really should be shown off and something that you should be proud of.